Yeah, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's episode of Trade Idea and making the market what we can see out of the market today. Today, we'll be starting with EURUSD. So, we'll be looking at what the market has been doing in the past and how we can take opportunity from the market and the levels we can trade from. So, analyzing the markets, let's start from daily. From what we are seeing here, market has been on a very serious downtrend from last month. I'm here looking at this. If we are to zoom in to see what has been happening in the markets, we have a lot of levels that has been violated. And if we are to pick from the right side of the market to see and analyze what is happening currently. And as you can see, this is a pure downtrend. Very, very pure downtrend, and every levels that are supposed to hold the market and send it back upward on the left side has been violated, which means until we see a reversal pattern to send price up from the right side of the market, then we continue in downtrend. So picking our tools, from what we can see here, we can see that this market take out liquidity from the previous high that we have. And when we see liquidity being taken out of the market, like that, we can expect a deeper reversal. So looking closely here, after taking the liquidity, we have shift, which is major MSS, like shifting from uptrend to downtrend. And from there, we can see that analyzing the daily, we have this level here that has been violated and major shifts happen in the market. And after shift, what do we expect? We are expecting trend change, which is given to us here. Remember, we are on daily. So our trend change means structure has been broken. So from there, we can now pick the leg that causes the shift and broken the structure to be our strong guy. Our leg would be our strong guy now, which will be our major lower high. Then we can expect, but now we can't phantom where our lower low is. But currently, this is where the market is trading. So we are expecting that place to be violated. We expect the downtrend to continue until we see a very pure reversal pattern, which is either major MSS or we have a turtle soup or market take liquidity again and it starts reversing. So all the levels here has been violated. So what we are still expecting, my expectation of the market is still for the market to continue downward until we see a very, very good reversal pattern in the market. Let's go to 4 hour and try to continue our analysis. So looking at 4 hour, what can we see? You can see plainly what we highlighted on our daily. And analyzing for that, if you want to pick it, we can still see you can see a lot of things happening here. So this one would be our week low here. Week low from what we are seeing. Yeah. That would be our week low, which we are expecting market to reach. Don't forget, we are expecting a reversal pattern so that at least all the downtrend we've been having on daily, this market can give us a fair value into either equilibrium or the imbalance that we have. But you know, the downtrend is very long, so we just flow with the market. Flow with the market. So here, it's going to be our major lower low. And from here, we see this is the leg that broke, that send the market downward. But we can't really pick it because he did not mitigate this level. So if we look at this level, it has equal low. It's also a weak low. We're expecting market to break. That's a weak low. And we can confidently take this leg because it gives us a proper mitigation of that place with the leg that broke this structure and send the price down. So we are nearing what is it called? The reversal we are expecting. We are nearing the reversal we are expecting. That's our strong guy, which is also our lower high. So me looking at this, but we have this little reaction from here. If we go on lower time frame, that's where we can explore this place correctly. But as far as we are concerned, this is the leg that we'll be dealing with today. From this high to this low. So where we'll be dealing with today. So what can we say on 50% of this leg? We have this little reversal here. And explore it on lower time frame. But as it is, we have to explore it because anything can happen in the market. You can predict. We just flow. As one other block there. 4-hour other block. But because we didn't have a deeper retracement into this level, but if we are to study this leg one by one, you can see that this candle that broke this structure downward reverse into this 3 candles other block that we have here. So then looking at that, we still see another internal structure here, which this leg we are actually analyzing reverse into because there is no imbalance here from all these levels. There are no imbalance except this lower low that we have here. Now we have a little imbalance. I'll zoom it up to see. We have a little imbalance there, which can draw price to itself. But you know, the downtrend has been on for a very long time. So anything can happen at the moment where we are now. So that's our 4-hour fair value gap. So just label it like that. And looking at that, this internal structure here, send the price down, and looking at it from that angle, we have to pick it that way. And we can say there is proper mitigation except this fair value gap that we have above this internal structure. So that we're expecting from markets like it is, this has already given us a shift in the market because this leg, if this leg refused to break this internal structure, supposed to send price lower. But as you can see, this gives us a little shift. We're going to explore that on lower time frame too. So we have major MSS there too. So going to explore it. And after MSS, major shifts, market structure shifts. After market structure shifts, we can expect a trend change, or the market can still react from this level. But before we can maximize this market structure shift, we have to break this structure above. But don't forget, we have this fair value gap above this high, which can serve as a tap in liquidity and send price further down. So let's go to 1 hour, try to see what we can find there. As you can see, This one is giving us a very good structure which we can take advantage of. So we can easily turn this one to a minor structure shift. Yes, minor structure shift. And as we can see here, this level is supposed to send, like I said, the internal structure, but it happens to be another block on 1 hour. So it's supposed to send price up. So what can we see from here? It has been broken. So if this leg is broken like this and it closes above it, as you can see here, so we can expect, so we have major, so we have minor structure shifts. We can expect the market to give us a flip or trend change. But in this case, as we can see from this angle, we have a trend change, minor trend change. Minor trend change. Yeah. So we have a minor trend change. So what can we expect? We can expect market from this angle to go higher. So what we need to do next is to look for the levels in which market can react from. And what we can see here, we have some levels above this place that can send price down. And this 4-hour order block that we see here. But from the reaction we are having here, it might not be purely reliable. But anything can happen in the market. So you can just simply use from what we are looking at. Let's deal with the right side of the market without interacting with the left side of the market. So what can we see here? We have this level here. We have MSS, minor structure shift. Then we have structure break. Let's take away Asian range first. So from this level here, what are we expecting? We're expecting a mitigation block, but the break of structure we are having here is not a pure one because it's run into all these things take place in Asian range. So still have the range on. So below the range, we have this level here, which we can tag as order block. And we have this level of imbalance. So let's use this to mark our, as we can see in the midnight through the Asian range. Asian session, we have a tap into that imbalance. But we can expect a deeper tap. We have this imbalance here. We can target as zero value gap. So add that level there, and we can take this whole range to have a buy into this level. So you can send price up. I have a buy from this level. Let's get to 15 minutes to explore it further. So looking at 15 minutes, you can see we have this level there, and we have another level. And looking deeper here, we can easily take this level and work with it. We can work with it. And don't forget, this is still 7:53 and we are expecting markets to open in London very soon. So have the top of this place, but it didn't pick price up. So when something like this happen in markets, we can be rest assured that okay, the market is going to like, okay, we have a breaker block here, a minor breaker block. Yeah, can expect the market to react, to coming in into that level, to pick a reaction. So okay. So I have these two levels here that we can react from. But a suggestion would be to pick out the range and just have one to two trade from there. So nothing is sure in markets, but we can just take that risk and try to see what markets give us from that. So it's not much, it's 12 pips range. So that's 1 to 2, 240. We can have that trade from there. So can pick a trade from that level and try to see what market will do, give to us. So we can pick a trade from there and wait to see what will happen in the market. Don't forget, this is Asia range, and we can expect the market to just take a liquidity below the Asian range. And we have this little something here that can send price up. For us to be on a safer side, because we don't actually know the reaction to expect from the market now until it give us lead. So, but I prefer to take this range. But if you wish to like scalp the market, you can continue to go lower on a lower time frame to see what you can take out of it. Let's move to NAS100 and try to analyze from what the market is doing currently. Let's start on daily. So moving to daily, what can we see? We have, what do we have here? Is a big leg that we have, but don't have much to do with that, because here we see a TC here, and we have this level here that stand as a strong low. To pick from a structure, this is our lower low, lower high. This is our low, this is our higher high, this is our lower high, and let's label it out. Okay, this is a very weak high, a major weak high, and this is the leg that break it. So these are strong low. Sorry for as the these are strong high again. I mean weak high that we are expecting market to weak high, and it has already been taken. So strong low. Okay, so getting closer to the market, what can we see here? See this level here. I'm supposed to send price up. This happens to be our strong low. Strong low. And here happens to be our the weak high we are expecting market to break. Weak high we are expecting market to break. So, and from this low to this high, we are expecting a reaction that will break this high. But what can we see? This other block that we have here, market reacts from it. Have a reaction from it. But being enough strength to break the structure, and from what we can see up here, we have a market structure shift, which is on a major time frame. Market structure, just structure shifts, and we can see, as we can see here, this low that's supposed to go up has been violated. So, but we are expecting market to close below it. But as we can see from this level on daily, didn't close below it, but we will explore it further on 4-hour time frame. But with what we can see here, we can still target as major TC because our major time frame is daily and 4-hour. So, but what we can see here is we have this internal structure on a daily that market can react from. We have this internal structure, which is daily internal structure, is a big range, but we can still expect some things to. So it's a daily internal structure, but we will explore it on a lower time frame. So which we are expecting, let's start this one. Let's see. As we can see, it has already been tapped. It's already been tapped. So okay. It's yet to be tapped. Let's go on lower time frame 4-hour to explore further. Okay, as we can see, what can we see? We can see, okay, still doesn't close below it. So we can't target as structure break yet. And this level here, if we are to take it, as this level did not have enough strength to break the structure and giving us a major shift in the market, we can easily say that this level comes back to do what? To have more strength to move upward. And as we can see, the reaction happened from a fair value gap that we have on 4-hour, which is amazing. Wow. A very pure one. I didn't even see that coming yesterday. Okay. So since we are, said on daily that we are expecting this level to send price up and break this major higher high that we have here. So as you can see, this order block, this 4-hour order block, a very big order block range, and it's sending price up. It can shift, can cause these major shifts and transcend it at us. And as you can see, you see how the market is just moving and coming closer to this, to what price is doing here. We have this imbalance, which is our fair value gap here. As you can see, we can see what the market is doing from that level, and it peaked. Wow, that's a very massive one. Market is reacting from. Okay, I guess we've missed that price move. I guess we've missed that. So what we can do, if we are to explore this, all these ranges happen, these things that we have here are just consolidation that we can't seem to analyze. And this been this major shifts causes a break of structure here. So this one is not a trend change yet. So we can just tag it as is a liquidity that has been taken into this other block. So very pure liquidity. So it has been taken into that block. So it's a pure one, very, very pure one. So we can move to this leg now and start coming from a major strong low. We are expecting this leg to be protected, and what protect this leg is this other block, and we can see that it's aligned with an imbalance, a fair value gap, and it was so perfect, and it moves forward. So moving forward from the leg that it created, we can see we can still tag this as our strong low, but a potential strong low, that manner, a major strong low. So we are expecting this high to be broken. But looking at this internal structure, we don't expect it to just give way to this price leg that is coming up. We'll be expecting a kind of reaction from it, but we'll study that on a lower time frame. So let's see what we have here. We have internal structure here, another internal structure within internal structure, and another internal structure. But what me I'm expecting is very simple. And as we can see, something that we believe we have occur during Asian. So we can expect these internal structures that are here to send price lower into any of the level that we can pick out here again. So what do we have here? Let's take away our Asian range first and try to see what we have here. So we have some levels here. I guess she's not clear here. Let's move to 15 minutes to see. Okay. Okay, we can see these pure price actions here. And if price is going to react and send price downward, we should be expecting the reaction from here. So, but these are levels that we can expect this internal structure to send price from. So, price move from PDRAs to PDRAs. So Can be anticipating a sell from that angle into this level here. Can be expecting, but this level is supposed to hold, but we have an imbalance here that is just to be fulfilled. But the range is fulfilled here. And from what we can see, we have a minor shift here. We have to stick with the right side of the market. We have a minor shift, minor MSS, and we have this level giving room to the minor structural shift, minor structure break. So we can have this level. Don't forget we are coming from here, can be our minor strong low, and here to be our weak high, which is higher high, minor higher high. But because we don't have proper mitigation of these levels that we have here, so we can easily expect markets to come and react from this level. But proper study of this place, we have this fair value gap being taken yesterday night, yesterday evening. So we can assume that this place has been properly mitigated and this other block being created. But above the other block, we have an internal structure. And above the internal structure, we have this pin bar, which we can assume that can be a future reference to price, because we have a level here that align with this. There's a proper mitigation here and doesn't give us any imbalance. So we have above the pin bar, we have an imbalance here. We can study that on 1 hour and see what we have there. So we can see the pin bar align with an internal structure here. So we can assume at the price that we are expecting to see, what we are expecting to send price lower from this angle. So we can pick it from here to here. These internal structures that we have here. We can expect it to send price below and give us just 1 to 2 into this level. We have a big internal structure here that we might expect market to react from. But we have this, so we can pick up this range as our reaction points. So let's give it a, forget everything is a risky market. So I have this level here, 650. And let's give it 655. Then 1 to 2 of it will be 120, 130, and give us a reaction of 1 to 2. We can anticipate price to react from down. Okay, then we have this range here that I believe we can still react from this level here. Just taking it from 1 hour, so 808, 820, 1640. So can set out that then and expect markets. This is Asian range here, as we can see, market has already come beyond. But you know, NAS100 can be volatile sometimes. So we can anticipate a lot of things from it and position ourselves this way and maximize whichever one that give us the opportunity. So that'll be all. If you want to scalp it, you can just take your structure to lower time frame below and from there maximize your trade. So next we'll be moving on to gold. So I guess we can just stop there today on Euro and NAS100. So I want to drop the previous signal on my Telegram group. So this we won't be able to go further with the gold analysis. So started from maybe tomorrow. I will try and do the analysis earlier. So thank you for your time. Have a nice day and have a nice trade.